If you want to transfer data from or to Android on your iPhone 16e, then let me show you what you can do. So if you wanted to transfer data from Android to your new iPhone, then in that case, during the initial configuration, you have the option to transfer data. But if you skipped that process and now you want to transfer data again, what you can do is you can use a third-party app that allows you to easily transfer pretty much everything from Android or to Android, with the exception of apps. So what we can do is in the App Store, we can search for an app that is called Send Anywhere. And of course, this app is also available on Android as well in Google Play Store. So let's download it on both devices, obviously. And on your Android and your iPhone, in that case, well, first on iPhone, we need to grant the full access to files because obviously we want to be able to choose what we want to transfer. And notifications, we can allow notifications. Over here we can select to not receive any updates and press OK. Alright, now on the Android we need to select that we agree to terms and service and privacy policy, and then we need to confirm. Press continue to grant permissions. And of course you might see ads because obviously this is a free app. So if you want to transfer something from the Android, then what you can do is, for example, you can go through different categories over here. Let's say I want to transfer photos. I can select a photo or multiple photos. Of course, you can go through different categories in order to select multiple files at once. And then what you need to do is press send over here at the bottom. Here we can press got it. And now we have this code or QR code. So now on iPhone, we can go to receive, and here we can insert this code over here, or we can press this QR code icon in order to open the camera and scan the QR code if you find it easier. I'm gonna actually use the code in this example, and let's press receive. Well, let's wait for the connection to happen. There we go. But here we can press allow. And now we are waiting for files to be transferred. Once it is done, you will see that you have received everything. And if you want to send from iPhone to an Android, then you do pretty much the same thing, but of course you start with the iPhone. So here you can select whatever you want to transfer. You can press and hold your finger in order to start selecting, and then you can keep tapping. And then you once again have send. And it looks pretty much the same. So we have the code, we have the QR code. On Android, go to receive and insert the code, and the rest is the same. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!